But technology is really not a focal point of the novel. And that's one of the misconceptions a lot of times with 1984 is that, oh, there's this idea that you're being watched, you're under surveillance, they hear and see everything that you do. That's very technologically advanced, but it's really not a focus of the novel. The main focus of the novel, with regards to the three provinces, really is this idea that you have such a small group of people ruling so many others, and the fact that they have such terroristic, scary um, goals and motives, and they're so twisted in their minds that they could really pull off something. It's really scary. They want to obliterate a population of people in one fell swoop, and really the way that they're looking at doing that is nuclear warfare. So they're trying to. You're going to read about floating fortresses, and when I say they, I'm talking about the people at the top of that pyramid in each of the three provinces of the novel. Different territories, different races of people, if you will, but they all have the same mindset, and they all just want to kill off a bunch of people. And they scare the people by making them think they are always at war. And whether or not they really are at war is a question that will come up later. But right now in the novel, Oceania, which is where Winston is at war with Eurasia. And if you think about the people and how poor they are, they get just enough. Winston worries about razor blades at one point, if you remember that. If you keep the people just above the line of poverty and make them believe that you can't have a lot because we're at war, and you have to think about the people on the front lines. You have to think about the idea that war causes an economic stress. So be thankful for what you have and don't question it. That's kind of the mindset that the leaders of these ideologies are instilling in the people. So it's more of a question of what are they really capable of doing versus a technological revolution. So um, that's the main gist of the notes. I know it's kind of scattered. I'm sorry I accidentally hit stop on the last video, which is why there are now 3 videos and not 2. But please send your questions to me, guys. I'm happy to help you. Use the notes, keep them out as you're reading. Everything's going to kind of start making sense when you put it together and you read and you have the concepts. But keep reading and send your questions if you have them.